Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Luigi Versoza, and today we're going to be doing another product review. Today we're going to be looking at the newest TWS headphones from Edifier, and this is the Edifier W220T. So on this video, we will view the unboxing, I will discuss you the specifications of the headphones, and of course, I will also give you my personal thoughts about the headphones. So if you are currently on the market looking for a new TWS headphones, then this video is the right one for you. And actually have a great news for you guys. We will be running a giveaway. Edifier will be giving away a brand new Edifier W220T to one of our lucky viewers. So if you would like to have these headphones, then make sure that you will watch the video until the end. So first, let us discuss what is the specifications of the Edifier W220T. The Edifier W220T is the latest TWS headphones from Edifier, which supports the latest Snapdragon sound technology. It has a 13mm dynamic driver which supports SBC, aptX, and aptX adaptive audio codecs. It also uses the latest Bluetooth 5.3 technology. It has an impedance of 28 ohms and it supports the frequency range of 20 Hz to 40 kHz. It has a battery life of 6 hours on each earbuds plus 18 hours on the charging case. It also uses a USB Type-C connection for its charging cable. It weighs 42 grams and lastly, it supports IP54 water and dust resistant. So let's talk about which makes these headphones different from other TWS headphones in the market. So like any other TWS headphones, they are actually using different kinds of technology, and this one is using Qualcomm Snapdragon sound technology. Snapdragon sound is a technology that is created or developed by Qualcomm, which is also the makers of the Qualcomm Snapdragon chipset, which can be found on most phones nowadays. So it gives you lossless audio, which means you will be hearing the same quality when it was recorded. At the same time, they mentioned that it would give you a low latency experience as if you are using a wired headphones. So the question is the Edifier W220T lives with the expectations? So right now we will be talking about my personal thoughts about the headphones by giving you my personal pros and cons about the headphones. So number one, the headphones is really lightweight. You won't really notice that you are wearing a headphones for a long period of time, which makes it a really good travel headphones. Also, the shape of the headphones is very similar with the Generation 3 Apple AirPods, which is actually good for different kinds of ears. So next is sound quality. So if you are looking for a headphones that has a balanced sound, which means the bass, the mids, and the highs is actually balanced with each other. It's not really that bassy, it's not really a hi-fi headset, and it would give you that feeling that as if you are on the studio while the music is being recorded. And one more thing that I like about this headphones is that even though it's just really tiny, it gives you 6 hours of battery life. So that is actually more than enough for your daily needs because it could give you a maximum of 24 hours battery life with its charging case. I also love the aptX voice noise cancellation feature of this headphones. It really gives you that clear audio, especially when you are talking into the phone or you are talking using Messenger, WhatsApp, Viber, or any other communication apps. And of course, for the gamers out there, let us talk about how these headphones perform when it comes to gaming. If you are a mobile gamer, it actually gives you the ability to switch into low latency game mode whenever you are playing a game. But you also have to be using a device that has an aptX codec in order for you to achieve that. Otherwise, you have to manually enable game mode on the Edifier Connect application. I actually use these headphones while playing CSGO, and surprisingly, compared to the WH500 and the W220T, this actually sounds better when playing Counter-Strike Global Offensive. Compared to the other Bluetooth headphones that I have used, sometimes when I am playing CSGO, the sound is getting muffled and I am losing that immersive experience when I'm playing CSGO. But with the W220T, I really had a good experience as if I am using a wired headphones. And I actually didn't notice any kind of delay when playing CSGO. And believe me, I am really a competitive player when it comes to CSGO, and it really matters to me the sound quality on detecting the footsteps or the gunshots when I'm playing this kind of game. So for gamers out there, I would definitely recommend the W220T. Alright, so those are the things that I love about the Edifier W220T. Now let's talk about my personal cons about this headphones. So number one is the glossy paint. So I am really a fan of matte black or any matte colors because my hands are really sweaty, and whenever I am holding a glossy device, it tends to slip on my hands. And also for me, it is also a fingerprint magnet and is prone to scratches. Next is the compatibility issue with Snapdragon sound. So in order for the Snapdragon sound technology to work, you have to have a device which has an aptX or aptX adaptive codec. And of course, if you would like to have the best experience about the technology, you should have a device that supports Snapdragon sound as well. But hey, if you are using a non-Qualcomm Snapdragon device, it's fine. It would perfectly work, but of course, you will not have the best experience for the headphones itself. I think it would be fine because like what I said earlier, I even used it on a laptop, which is not really a mobile device. And I had a great experience when it comes to sound quality, especially for those gamers who are looking for a great TWS headphones for gaming. So with the things that I discussed, am I gonna recommend the Edifier W220T? Definitely. So if you are an Android user and you would like to experience a headphones that is actually similar when it comes to shape and size with the AirPods, then this headphones is for you. If you are a gamer, definitely, like I said 100 times, this headphone is great for gaming. And if you are on a budget, I would definitely recommend getting the W220T because it sounds really good and it doesn't break the bank. And look at this, guys. I am using a pouch for the Apple AirPods and it fits perfectly, even the buttons and the USB underneath. So for those who would like to join the giveaway, the link is on the description below. And guys, this is a global giveaway, so wherever you are, you can actually join the giveaway. So the winner would be receiving a brand new Edifier W220T directly from Edifier themselves. So let's thank Edifier for this early Christmas gift, and good luck to all the people who would be joining the giveaway. So that's our review for the Edifier W220T. If you like this review, please click the like button and also don't forget to comment on the comment section below. If you are new to the channel, please support this channel grow by clicking that subscribe button and also hit the bell icon for more videos like this. Thank you so much, guys, for watching until the end. I really appreciate it. I hope to see you guys on the next product review video. But for now, peace out.